In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new pricing sheet and how to associate a new pricing sheet with an existing gallery. So to get started, we're going to go into the Selling tab, into the Prices, Shipping, and Tax section, and I'm going to click on Pricing Sheets. You can see here that I already have a few different pricing sheets created, but we'll just go ahead and click on Create New Pricing Sheet. We'll give our new sheet a name, and we'll select any bulk pricing options. For now, I'm going to select No Bulk Pricing. Once we've given our pricing sheet a name, it'll show us all the different print sizes that we have available for our clients at this time. To set a price for each of these different sizes, click in the Your Price column and set the price to be whatever you'd like it to be. Any size that we don't give a price for in this pricing sheet won't be available to your clients within their client gallery. For example, if we didn't want to offer 8x10s on our client gallery, we would simply leave this price blank. Additionally, we can select whether or not to provide our clients with an option to purchase black and white and sepia photos. If we'd like them to have this option, we simply check the box indicating that these options should be available for this particular size. We'll save our pricing template, and we can see that the pricing template is now available here as our 2018 pricing. Now to select this pricing template on an existing gallery, let's head into our Photos area, into our Galleries, and then we'll click on the name of the gallery. If we scroll down to our shopping cart options, one of the options is to change the pricing. Here we can select 2018 pricing, which is the pricing sheet that we just selected, and we can save it. Now all of the images within this gallery are associated with the 2018 pricing template. If we'd like to change the pricing on specific images within the gallery, but not all of the images, we can do that as well. Click on the Photos link, click into the category that contains your images, select the images that you'd like to modify, and choose Change Pricing. From here we can change the pricing for just the specific images that we've selected. And that's it. If you have any questions, shoot an email to support@instaproofs.com.